back to my channel. Did you like my Shabby Chic Not So Mini album? Then there is a kit for you, and I'm going to show you what's inside the kit. So of course we have a ribbon set filled with lovely color flowers and also some Shabby Chic fluffy thread, which I did not use, but I totally forgot, if I may be honest. And also a full bag of beautiful ribbons that fits the collection. So cute. I think there are six pieces of ribbon inside. There is a little bag of metal embellishment plus the clear swing tabs that I use, so that is also included. Then of course a little invitation card. Then there are laser cut pieces that I used in my album. These I used for pockets. These I also used for decoration pockets, and then these two big ones also for decoration pockets. So cool to be used. Then we have the fabric lace that I use for the spine. Love this. I absolutely adore this. So nice to use sometimes at spines. It definitely gives that shabby chic touch. Then of course a little welcome note. All the measurements I'll be giving in the tutorial, so you don't need this kit, but everything what's inside here is also given in the tutorial, so you don't need this, but it's just a welcome note. And then, yep, this is where I made my template with, so you can make still an envelope with and put this nice leather inside. So that is what I used for all the fancy pockets and everything, and flaps. Then you will find a clear sheet which I made with my box, my storage box at the end of for my last page. So that is included, and 2 document folders which you can cut in the size you want, and then you have a nice clear sheet. So you can have 4 protect. You can make 4 protect pages of these. I made 3, so you have 1 left. And then of course I will not say that you will have enough, but I added some ooh. Okay. So I added some double-sided grungy leather papers, which you don't need to use, but I use these for some of the backgrounds. We love these, but you also can use them from other projects. But I just decided to add some inside. I don't know if you have enough, but you still have some. And then of course the chipboard, the 2mm chipboard, you will have enough for this big spine that I made. And then of course there are 30 sheets of the Fleur Designs Genteel paper collection, which I'm going to show you all the beautiful papers doing the tutorial 1. And oh, I love these papers. They are just, I just love these. And so yeah, I'm just a real quick, but there are 30 inside, and so gentle, so easy to be used. Every page, everything looks fabulous. Alright, so that is inside the kit. So check out the tutorial. If you like all of this, then just send me an email and ask about the Shabby Chic kit. And this is what you get. This is all what you get. Everything is inside what you need, except for one thing. I always say that I did not include the cardstock, which I made the base album with all the pages and everything. I used brown kraft stock, and for me it's the Folia. I think it's a German brand, so it's not that thick paper that I normally used. I wished I had it in a 160 gram, but this was the only one that I could find here in Holland, so I just used kraft paper. So, but I think they are everywhere in the world to be found. So that is what I use, but it's not include the kit. Not. Alright, but for the rest, everything that I showed you is inside the kit. Alright, so just send me an email. Hope you like this project, and I hope you join me. Just give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Bye bye. just send me an email. Send me an email. It's below the every description box. Send me an email. Bye bye.